Well, it's that time. Surprise package time, surprise package time. What did order? I don't know, cause I ordered a long time ago. Surprise package time, surprise package time. I still think this song's clever. So, a pink pack. I got a pink pack in the mail. Not a freaking clue who it's from. Just something about LAX in Carson, California. Which I'm pretty sure is just a depot for Alibaba Express. But let's find out what I got today. Oh, this looks like more LilyGo gear. Oh, nifty. It's some more of those little e-paper devices. Let's see. I already got one of these, and apparently, for some reason, I decided to order a couple more. Probably because I forgot I ordered the first one. I still have yet to program these. This image on the screen, I believe, is a screen protector, so... Oh no, they actually did put it on there. That must mean there's some base code already installed that flashed the e-paper to show the LilyGo logo. We'll erase that and see what I can put up there. Also, I recently learned these are not little speakers, unfortunately, but just little vibration motors. A buzzer. I will have absolutely zero use for a buzzer. I never use these things for watches. They're just really cool because they're ESP32 chips with e-paper stuck on the other side. They even got built-in buttons. They even have little built-in plugs for batteries if I feel inclined to use battery. Pretty nifty, and now I got a couple of them. Let's see. This one, though, is definitely something I've never ordered before. It looks like sort of like a LilyGo chip, only it's got a really nice little big strip of e-paper on it. Well, this thing's a beast compared to the other ones. Let's see, we got a battery, Wi-Fi antenna. Is this an off and on switch? Oh, it is! Nice. Not so nice as it bends every time I push it. I have to figure some way of giving it support so it doesn't break off the board. Assuming I want to use it at all. Oh, this is... That's an SD card reader, I think. Interesting. I could put little images on there, I think, and then have them pop up on the screen. I love these little mounting holes. Definitely want to mount it somewhere because this stupid switch right here apparently likes to bend and flex. I think if it bends and flexes this way a little too often, it'll just snap right off. And that will not be fun. There's got a reset button, extra buttons. It's just a handy little bit of kit. I don't have any plans for these right now. Probably be good for a weather station or a clock. But whenever I do feel like playing with them, I have a bunch of them now. Thanks to LilyGo, AliExpress, and of course, surprise package time! Woo! Good night, folks.